Good evening, everybody. I will start with the lean, which we have started pursuing in Crompton Greaves Limited. As we see in our consumer business, we have two challenges. One is the concept of 3R. 3R means one is reduce, recycle, and renew. And second is, for consumer business, it is important that we bring more innovative product, technology, and processes. Basically, for this lean journey, we got the help from SSA, and with discussion, we agreed that we will start this initiative in one of our vendors. In terms of the business excellence objective, we have business benchmark productivity, which includes the capacity utilization and manpower utilization. Second will be the one world quality, which is the first time right, and Six Sigma for supplier and in-house. This is the approach roadmap. This is quite familiar to most of you. It starts from the bottom-up approach, starting from the people front. So it talks about equipping the people, then building the strategic capabilities. Then it goes into the customers front, delivering the unique sets of performance to customers. And last is the driving the financial success. Challenges and strategies. I have listed down 3 challenges, but it can be more. First is change in the mindset. How to change in the new way of working, that is the biggest challenge. And the strategies can be, first you set the organizational structure in place, which defines the roles and responsibilities very clearly. And it should have a measurement in the performance system. The second challenge is how to address the entire value chain. In many cases we have seen when we talk about the operational excellence and the lean culture, people tend to address only a small segment out of the total value chain. If I am in the production floor, most likely I will try to address only the mechanical problem or the electrical problem in the production floor. But I forget about the supply chain, which starts from the customers and end in the customers again. So the main challenge is how to address the entire value chain. Strategy can be process re-engineering and Kanban system. Third is how to ensure the implementation. That is the biggest challenge. I am presenting the case study which we have implemented to one of our strategic partners. This strategic partner is JC International. He is located in Baddi. He is one of the major suppliers of storage water heater for us. In simple terms, it is the geyser which you are using in your bathroom. The production was relatively low, almost 250 pieces per day. But when we took up this project, we found that he can produce at least 500 pieces, and it can go up to 1,000 pieces also. The goal was to implement the manufacturing by improving the productivity. Root causes, we have listed only 4, but when we worked with him, we found that there were at least 16 to 18 causes of low production. But some of the reasons are this assembly line lot working continuously, because you will understand when the vendor is working with the contract labor is supposed to bring the material in the working place also. Second was the batching of work. That means it was not a continuous flow. Third is the absence of the specialized workmen. Workmen were either not trained or the correct person was not utilized in the right place. And last one is, because of material shortage, the line was frequently getting stopped. This is again a synopsis of the takt time which we have done through the iGraphics. But here I will say, as per the lean, there are only 3 definitions available. One is Muda, second is Mura, and third one is Muri. I think the Mura, that is the making the unevenness more flat, making it a flat one more even, that is more important in this case. If we see the benefit analysis table, of course it talks about the success, but again all said and done, We will say that it is a continuous journey. Maybe next 6 months' time, we will be able to say, yes, we have been able to make a lean success story in that vendor's place. Thank you very much.